Fat girl always on top.
All right, here we are, Monday, March 13th. Didn't go racing Boot Hill over the weekend. Just felt like the rain they were getting. Didn't want to go play in the mud. So, what'll be like today?
A little tired, but we're ready to get back on the racetrack here. Only gotten one race and we're 3 months into the year already? Not good. So, time to get some practicing done. Testing.
See here, just trying to get some tires mounted, staying ahead of the game, just stay stocked with inventory of tires to be ready for whenever we do go racing. So I think we'll maybe try to go do Davenport for the Fall Brawl in Davenport, Iowa, March 24th and 25th. So.
Fat girl always on top. Yeah, sometimes. You need to get your crews and shirts.
What are you doing, Tim?
Gotta cover up all the secrets.
All of our fast shit?
Yep.
We're gonna take this new car to Lucas tomorrow to shake it down. Right now I'm doing some left rear 30s, each track series. Got a little bit different tire rules, so just trying to get some stuff caught up. So always give me a start and stop point line. That just lets me know So I can see my sight somewhere I started and stopped. I'm gonna cut every line across and every line around. And that's our finished product. Don't put that one in the video, Matt. Don't put that one in there either.
It's out of gas on the front barrels.
Let's not do that one either.
More gas.
Firing off the new car, new motor, take 4, action. Edit that one too.